Hey guys, Murphy here. Today we're going to be doing the pistol challenge for the 20th time in a row. I don't know what's wrong. Something's not working. It doesn't like me. I don't know. I was doing it on domination. They were getting too long, so I'm going to do TDM. I have the 5.7 FMJ with long barrel, secondary gunfighter. As you can tell, this is getting pretty repetitive for me. Lightweight, toughness, extreme conditioning, C4, and 2 concussions. Yeah, we'll keep that. Looks like we're gonna be playing random. Sorry guys, I haven't been able. I can't talk. It is almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm really tired. Sorry guys, I just got a really funny Snapchat from someone, but okay. I've been recording this so much, I am so tired. I started trying to record these at midnight, and I've been trying to record it for 4 hours, so you guys probably aren't gonna get any more videos this weekend, as does the 4th of July weekend. I'm gonna be going to my grandma's, but I might try and squeeze in a video of what I did or why I wasn't uploading at all during the week this week. Okay, I had something to do. I had to help my grandma with something. That's all I'm gonna say in this video. Otherwise, you'll know my whole life story. Throw that over there. Not gonna get anything with it. Double kill. Not bad for just using a 5.7. This is really hard, guys, but I guess I've had stuff of my own to do, and family comes before YouTube. I'm sorry, you're not as important as family. Someday, if I get real big on YouTube, you might be, but and my grandma doesn't have internet, so that makes it 10 times worse. It can get quite boring at her house, but what can I do? She's my grandma. Oh my god, that... Oh, no, no! I failed that concussion so bad. But at least I got a 3-piece there. It was pretty nice. Pretty sick 3-piece. 5.7 3-piece. Who knows? I might put that in a montage someday. If I ever do montages. Oh, come on. We are dominating them. 14-5. Oh, I probably should have told you the rules before now, but only can use a pistol unless this gun is completely out of ammo and I can't pick up another pistol. Then I can pick up whatever gun I want and use it. Otherwise, this is the only... I can only use a pistol. Oh my god, they have us coming right around that corner every time. Kill there. That was an easy kill. I don't know how I didn't kill him before, but... sometimes you just gotta hate COD. You just gotta accept that the COD gods are not with you that day. Whoo! Look at that. Oops. Did not mean to fire that right away, but who cares? Still got a kill. Don't know if that worked. I am going to be running out of ammo here soon. Doesn't matter. I just went 24-7. What? Okay, that was really cocky, guys. I am so sorry. But, if you liked, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me try that again. F you, controller. Still trying not to swear in my videos. Sorry if I have. But, if you guys like, please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys later.